Hello, this is Charlotte. Today, I'd like to share with you something about artwork for printing. It is a small tip on how to distinguish a vector file from a raster file. You want to print something with your own logo, design, or image, so you place an order and send the artwork to a print company. However, when the artwork person checks your file, under some situations, they may ask you a question, whether you can provide a vector file or not. Then why a vector file is preferred in printing, and what is the difference between the raster image and a vector file? To answer these two questions, we need to know the meaning of raster image and vector file first. A raster image, also referred to as a bitmap, is created using colorized pixels. When you enlarge a raster file with pixel-based art too much, the edges look jagged and the quality is lost. The more pixels in an image, the higher the quality, and vice versa. While a vector file is an art that's made up of vector graphics. These graphics are points, lines, curves, and shapes that are based on mathematical formulas. When you scale a vector image file, it is of high resolution and there's no loss of quality, so it can be sized however large or small you need. From the definition of raster and vector files, we can know that we could edit every detail of the vector file, including points, lines, curves, and shapes, in Adobe Illustrator. However, it is impossible for us to adjust the shape or remove parts of details in a raster file. I think now you may understand why the artwork person prefers a vector file. A vector file can not only ensure the resolution of an artwork and a better printing finish, but also help speed up the artwork processing.